This is gonna be your dead bug. So we're gonna start off on our back here. I like to have a yoga block, something under my head so my neck can stay nice and relaxed. All I'm doing from here is I'm gonna start off in an inverted quadruped position. So this just means I have my hands up. When my hands are up, I don't wanna reach forward. So shoulders are set back, hands are up here, and then my legs come up in this 90-90 position. So 90 degrees at my hips, 90 degrees at my knees, and I'm staying in this position. Now the cue here I like to give is think of it like you're kicking through a door. So it's push through the heel, reach through the fingers is my cue for a dead bug. As I extend out, I want to inhale, right? Because I'm increasing the lever arm, so I need the most stability through my trunk. So as I inhale, diaphragm expands down into abdominal wall, pelvic floor. Diaphragm also pushes against my spine to create rigidity and stability against my spine. So as I inhale, nice and long, no daylight under my low back, and then exhale, drive up, and then alternate. Nice and long with each rep. And another thing to note here is as you push through the heel, the common compensation here is to turn the foot out. So make sure that toe stays turned inward. You're nice and long, you feel that quad contract, and then you drive back up into that 90-90 position with the arm to follow. So again, push through the heel, reach through the fingers, inhale, and then exhale and drive back up. And that's gonna be your dead bug.